everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Freestyle Wednesday, and I'm so excited about today's Freestyle Wednesday because I'm going to be sharing with you the new HTVRONT Auto Tumbler Heat Press. And this is it here. So I'm going to use these blanks and I'm going to show you how to use this machine. So let's get into how it came, the unboxing and all that good stuff. Alright everyone, here is the box that it came in. So let's get opening this box. Okay, here is how it looks. First off, from the top, you have the manual. Inside, we have some heat tape and we have some heat protective gloves. So now let's take it out the box. Let's pull it out. It feels very light. It's not heavy at all. Okay, so here it is, and let me open up the cord so we can plug in the machine. So as you plug it in, the light starts to flash, and you just press the button and it turns it on, and the red light is flashing until it reaches the temperature that you want. So we're going to press the temperature and then press up or down and bring it to the temperature that you want. And it does come in Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then for the time, do the same thing. Press the time button and you press it for how much seconds you want it to press for. And then you wait for this flashing red light to turn green when it reaches the temperature. And if you press the button, it closes the machine. Doesn't that look neat? And then you can press the button again and it opens the machine. Okay, now it reached the temperature that I set it for, so it went green. Telling me it's all ready. And it also beeps when it's ready too. So once again, our three blanks are a cup, frosted Libby glass, and we have a 20-ounce tumbler. Now you know your girl does not have a sublimation printer, so I am going to be using the Cricut Infusible ink, which is the next thing when you don't have the printer. Okay, the first thing we're doing is our tumbler, and this is our image here. It says Imani, my granddaughter's name. I'm making this tumbler for her. So we're just gonna place it on here. And since I'm using the Infusible ink, it comes with the backing on it already. Okay, so we're gonna press it for 385 for 120 seconds. So we're just placing it in there. Be careful because it's hot. And then we're going to press the green. And you see it's closing. And then we're just going to have it press. Okay, now it's finished. So it's opening. And then we just have on our protective gloves. And take out our tumbler. And did I mention the tumbler is 20 ounces? So we're just going to set it down to cool off just a bit because it's very hot. Okay, so now it's cooled off a bit. So we're going to remove our carrier sheet. And then take off the pieces. Oh, look at that. That looks so nice. There we go. It says Imani. Isn't that nice? That it pressed it really nice. I didn't have to do any work. Just press the buttons and the machine does its stuff. So I'm just going to put the lid on our tumbler. Doesn't that look super cute? And it was so easy to make. Now for our next thing, we're going to be doing our Libby frosted cup here. So we're just going to place it into our tumbler. And this one now is 380 for 240 seconds. And we press the button for it to start. The manual that it comes with tells you the temperature for everything that you are pressing, and it gives you the seconds and everything. It's done, so it's opening. And I turned it a bit and then I put it to press again. Okay, now it's ready. So we're gonna take it out. And it's extremely hot, so we're just gonna rest it to the side and wait for it to cool off a bit. Okay, now it's cool, so we are going to remove and see how it looks. Oh, look there. That looks so nice. I love the tiger print. So again, we have the straw with our bamboo lid, and we just place it on top, and there we go. And the last thing we're going to do now is our mug. We're going to do our coffee mug. All right, you guys, I have to set this one now for 385, and the temperature is a little higher. Sorry, the seconds is a little higher. 360 seconds at 385. So now we're going to put it in. All right, you guys, I didn't realize my camera died. The battery died. And I was still going away. Didn't know it wasn't recording. But anyways, it pressed and cooled off for a bit. So now I'm going to remove everything so we could see how it looks. Doesn't that look nice? OMG. A nice coffee mug. I love this auto heat press because I don't have to do any work. Just put the stuff in, set the temperature, set the time, press the button, it closes, and then it releases and opens up, and I just take out my products. So here are our 3 things that we did today, and this auto heat press is so neat. I'm really in love with it. Like I said, no work for me, and it's easy if you're a beginner. You just plug it in, and the manual is right there. It tells you what temperatures for what you're pressing, and then you just do it. And like I said, if you don't have a sublimation printer, that's okay. Get the infusible inks. You can get them on Amazon. You can get them from Cricut. Anywhere you want to buy them, you can buy them. And then you have to start with some lovely designs for yourself. So I will have the link to the HTVRONT auto tumbler press down below, so you guys can go over and check it out. And I believe they are having a sale right now, so now is a good time to go down and get one of these for yourself. I showed you how easy and simple it is to use it. You don't have to feel intimidated at all. And I love that their buttons are just like their 15 by 15 auto heat press. It's the same setup, and it's easy to use. I love that. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you for today's Freestyle Wednesday. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.